Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the basics. Wired or wireless adapters must be visible in Device Manager and drivers present. Open Settings, go to Network and Internet, and land on airplane mode so you can toggle and observe status. Next, inspect physical switches, function keys, or a laptop wireless kill switch. Some machines override Windows. If a switch is off, flip it and recheck the OS. Once done, restart the network adapter from Device Manager to force Windows to rescan and report accurate state. You should update or, if recent changes broke things, roll back your Wi-Fi and radio drivers in Device Manager. This often restores the radio control path. Then, open Services and restart WLAN auto-config and radio management so Windows regains control of adapters. Run the built-in network troubleshooter. It automates common repairs and logs what failed. For advanced repair, inspect registry radio, enable entries under current control set to ensure Windows can change radio state. Make backups before editing, and restart after any change. Complete the repair by using Network Reset in Settings if individual fixes failed. This reinstalls adapters and clears configs, so expect to re-enter Wi-Fi keys. Alternatively, use System Restore to go back to a known good point if available. Make sure the Action Center tile reflects current state after reboot. If problems persist, boot to safe mode to isolate third-party interference or create a fresh user profile. One key troubleshooting tip: try the new profile or safe mode test before reinstalling Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.